In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect PayPal to your Shopify store. Connecting PayPal properly is really important because it lets your customers pay with their PayPal balance, bank accounts, or cards, which can help increase trust and boost your sales. I'll walk you through each step slowly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. This is the main backend area of your store where you manage products, orders, and settings. Once you're on the admin homepage, look toward the lower left corner of the screen. You'll see an option called Settings. Go ahead and click that. When the settings page opens, you'll notice a menu running down the left-hand side. From this list, find the option labeled Payments and click it. This is where Shopify lets you manage all of the ways customers can pay on your store, including credit cards, digital wallets, and more. On the Payments page, scroll until you see a section called Additional Payment Methods. In this area, you should see PayPal listed as one of the available options. Next to PayPal, there will be a button that says Activate PayPal. Click that button to start the connection process. Once you click it, Shopify will take you to a new page. On this page, look toward the bottom right corner for another Activate button. Click this Activate button, and you'll be redirected to the official PayPal login screen. This is normal and secure because you're authorizing Shopify to connect with your PayPal account. On the PayPal login page, enter the email address or mobile number that you use for PayPal, then enter your PayPal password and click Login. In some cases, PayPal may add an extra layer of security. It might ask how you want to receive a verification code, such as by email or text message. Choose the method you prefer, then click Next. Wait a moment for the 6-digit code to arrive. When you get it, type that code into the field provided on the PayPal page, then click Submit. This step confirms that it's really you connecting the account. After you submit the code, the page will reload. You should see a confirmation message letting you know that you're all set. At this point, PayPal is successfully connected to your Shopify store, and your customers will be able to use it as a payment option during checkout.